fully licensed to kill in 9 states, 7 provinces, boys. Ooh, shattered skylight. Eve Smasher 9000 plus accessories. Garen frickin' Tit. It's a 455 big block right there. Blue glove right there on it. Frick. Partially naked. We're hunting today, buddy. Hunting down one of these aquatic roofs. You know, one of these lids on the water, boys. As a byproduct, side effect of that major storm we had, the derecho. We got about 7 island jobs to look at, boys. A few on Stony Lake, something out here on Rice Lake, and then I think something Jack's Lake, Apsley. Got a hold of some guy at this marina out here. He's gonna take us out there for some money in his boat, but says he's busy today, so he's just gonna let me and Ian pilot the craft. So we'll see how that works out for him. But anyways, boys, yeah, I don't know what to expect. It could be a 4-story friggin' 12-12. Could be a friggin' hobbit hole with a ground level roof, buddy. Just don't know. Either way, en route to the marina right now, boys.
Should be good there.
Beauty.
This one's a little sticky sometimes, so you just kind of got to give a little jolt.
Okay. We got dialed in. Guy gave us the boat, no problem, eh, Eenie?
Yep,
Didn't even want to see license, nothing. Good thing too. We're both unlicensed. No, just joking. We're fully licensed to kill in 9 states, 7 provinces, boys. Okay, we're just gonna load up some tools, hop on the vessel, and we're on the water, folks. Too many hoodies and cushions and tools. What a mess this back seat is. Future problems. All right, folks, we're all loaded up. Everything we may need for our report. Temp repairs. Got the old Model T, baby. Ford Special, you know it. Ian's gonna drop them ropes. I'm gonna pilot this craft, and away we're gonna go, boys and girls. Yee-hee. Alrighty, boys, we're off. Open water, baby. You know, it's just like the perks of the job, the luxury points, you know. Happens once in a blue moon, but hey, I look forward to something. We're gonna try our best. If we get lost, who cares? We're still having fun. Here. Well, if you don't have Ian with you, it might not be so easy, but guess what, boys? I do have Ian with me. We need the easy button, Ian. Easy button Ian, they call him. Dials it in every time. That's a big tree right there, come down. That's a Goliath. I don't think anybody's home. Have a look. Well, it's the 1.96 of a second rule. Nobody answered. Start by having a quick look, doing a report. Then we'll see what we need to fix this thing up, temp repair it. Then we'll do that. Ooh, shattered skylight. Piece of tin screwed over it. That's cool. Laminated shingles cut into cap. Oh, that's cool. Big wooden hydro stack with the leak. Well, that's cool. Oh, some board separation. See when you get this lifting. Likely a tree hit over there caused this board to pop its weasel. Two Velux skylights that aren't broken. Eve Smasher 9000 plus accessories. Older blow off repair unless it was leaking. Somebody fixed it recently. Huh. Check it out, boys. Got a report done. Drawing all made up there. No problemo. A few tips on drawing a roof. So this is gable to gable style roof. So what you want to envision is looking down on it from above. See a lot of guys draw a gable to gable style like that, my son. You could bow tie from prom night. But to me, that's more of a cottage style. You add these other eaves there, that's cottage style. For your gable to gable, simple rectangular unit as so. There's your ridge line, typically your vents, stuff like that, stink pipe, chimney, whatever you're working with, folks. So this is gable to gable style. This, you're more into a cottage style, which is funny enough because this is a cottage, but she's not cottage style at all, buddy. Not like your cheese. Hello. Don't know who put these ponies in, boys, but I'm seeing an issue there. Negative lap. They just got the shingle over top of the front pan there. See? Just buried the front pan. Oh, the guy on the back did it right. 1 out of 3. Ain't bad. Kitchen sink full of glass. Perfect for cleaning your veggies. Alright folks, here's what I'm considering for this quick and dirty island repair. I'm going to cut a piece of this here metal that I already had so it fits beautifully. It's Cinderella's slipper, buddy. Then we'll drape her in ice and water, seal her up tighter than a chastity belt. No question there. So you're just going to want to mark, pick your flavor, marker, and just bulldog it. Mangle it as much as you can. Perfect. Now if that doesn't fit you better than your high school nickname, keep the bush trimmed, keep the work trimmed. Carrying on. Now you see there's over 1.96 million other little spots on this roof that got scuffed up by that tree. See, poked the branch here, ripped up these shingles, patch under where Ian's working. So Ian's just gonna go around, overkill them all with ice and water, hold them off till we get back. No broom on the boat? No problem. Oh, there she is, wrapped up like a mummy. Could have centered it off a little better, buddy, but she's tucked in nice on the side, nailed up. She ain't going nowhere, pal. That's a 62 day and 1 afternoon guarantee. That sucker ain't gonna leak before we're back. Frickin' it. Oh, got that lid patched up. Keep the wet dreams out there. So now I gotta close off the soffit area and on we go. Oh, boys and girls, temp all done, reports all done. Roof ain't gonna leak. We're required to seal up these soffit areas so birds and such don't move in. Fun stuff, pal. Anyways, yeah, should be a little one-day job for a couple guys at some point. Feel like an island boy? Just like one. Ugly, frowned upon. Is that everything? That was quick. I should have one last look, I think. just to double, triple check. That's why I always double check, boys. The old tapinator. Wind's picked up out here, eh? The old pickerel winds. It's a no wake zone. Better just let her simmer down a little. Let's get jigged in there, buddy. Me and Ian are just putzing along, buddy. Enjoying the day. Relishing the moment. Not every workday consists of a nice trip across the lake, folks. So, you gotta enjoy the little things. There's our trusty vessel. Here's our trusty steed. Uh-oh, don't drop it, boys.